To analyze multiple choice questions like this, or select all that apply like this, here is the way that you can do it using Excel. So I'm going to share with you this function, which is this one here. So I will just copy it. I can put it in the description box below. So you are just going to go here on the data that you have. You create, like if you have multiple response item with different, let's say, options, like 5 options for social media, you need to put them here separately, in addition to the question that has all the options together separated by a comma or semicolon like this. So here I need just to put the function, and I need just to paste it here, and I need to adjust it. Let's say here this is B2, so it's going to be A2 here, and this is B1, corresponding to the coordinates of these ones. You just do it again. So here it's B, and here it's A2. You see this one and this one. So I want to find Instagram here and just code it. So a 0 or 1, you see, click this button, and here you see that all of these options have Instagram. So this has been coded. If I can just select it this way by dragging it and double click in here, selecting all the data, it can just do it. You see, this is how we can code multiple response items, or select all that apply as 1 chosen and 0 not chosen. You can see here Twitter here is not chosen, or chosen here, etc. So after I do this, I need to take this data and put it on and I put it on SPSS. So I can just copy it, just then I go to SPSS like these. Or if I have a large data set, I can just continue doing this through the whole document, or I have just small one, I can just copy these and then put them in SPSS, for instance. So I'm just using this traditional method. So I go to SPSS and then paste. You see here the codes 0 and 1, or I can import the data from here by going to File, Import Data, and then Excel, and look for the Excel file. Either way, here I need to come back and I need to label those. So I will just take them from here, copy this on Excel, right click, copy, come here, and then reverse like this, transpose, and then I will need to copy them again like this, copy again, and go to SPSS, and I need to put the labels here. So I will just select it this way, put the labels, and in the values I will just code them as 0, which is not chosen, or no, or not chosen, and 1, which is chosen. So this is binary coding, 0 and 1, which means chosen. Okay, and I copy this and I paste it here, 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 etc. I need to change the measure into nominal, because these are like nominal variables. Okay, so once I have them this way, as you can see, I just click here, you can see chosen and not chosen, etc. And here you could just see the variable names. You can just paste them if they work. Yeah, like this. I can do next. What I can do next is that I can go to Analyze, and I go to Multiple Response and define variable sets. Here I need to move them all to this box, and here I just keep dichotomous and count just the value that is named 1. And I can do the same for each one. For example, here Instagram, I will just give this short name, or for all of them, for instance. So here we will just call them social media. SM. Change. And then I close this. If I want to analyze it, I go to analyze again, multiple response, and then frequencies, and I move it here, and I click OK. And here are their frequencies. You see the N. So these are all of them, the ones that are chosen. You could see that the most chosen one is Instagram, followed by Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok, and finally Twitter. So these are like the top chosen social media platforms. Suppose that I want to cross-tabulate them. I have two. Let's just do this together. So I go to analyze and then multiple response. What is this multiple response? This one. Define variable set. Need to undo these. I want to group, for example, TikTok with Snapchat. We can call them TikTok and S, meaning TikTok and Snapchat as one. And then Facebook with Instagram as two. Facebook and Instagram. And I don't want to include Twitter because few people choose it. I will close this and go to analyze and then multiple response and then cross tabs. So here I put, for instance, the multiple response, which is the first two social media like TikTok, and the other one Snapchat, along with Facebook and Instagram. Here I can choose, for example, the sale percentage, the rows, the columns, the total, etc. Click continue and click OK. And here you could see that I just cross-tabulate Snapchat and TikTok as two video platforms with Instagram and Facebook as two other platforms. You can see here that they are cross-tabulated, and you can get these statistics this way. So this is in brief how you can actually analyze multiple response items that involve select all that apply. If you have questions or remarks, do not hesitate to post them below. See you soon. Bye for now.